Neuroendocrine tumors are considered as an important part of endocrinology. They originated from the cells located in the neuroendocrine system. Therefore, we could have it in the different organs such as lungs, bowel, stomach, or the pancreas. The incidence of these cancers are increasing and are more or less the same as other cancers. This is due mainly to the better diagnostic procedures, but also on the awareness of the disease. We have lots of difficulties in the treatment, but also in the diagnosis of those cancers. We are today in a possibility to give modern biological therapies that are related to the nature of the disease, that is not predictable always. Today we are needing more in education, diagnostic possibilities, new modern treatments, but also to raise the awareness of those diseases in the population of doctors, but also among the patients and the population as a whole.